Install the breading table. Prepare the tools for installing the breading table. For long screws, short screws, and an Allen wrench. First, insert the long screws with washers into the corresponding holes on the legs. Then, insert the long screws into the corresponding holes of the lower frame. Tighten with nuts to secure them. Use the Allen wrench to lock them in place. Ensure the structure is stable and does not wobble. Once the lower frame is installed, place the corresponding legs of the sifter on the breading table. Make sure the 4 screw holes on the tabletop align inward. Slot the tabletop into the corresponding holes. Use short screws to secure it in place, locked with the Allen wrench. Finally, place the portion bowl, sifter, stainless steel bowl, tail flange, round immersion basket, racket, and sifting basket. Installation complete. Turn on the switch. Push the flour into the center hole. The machine will begin sifting the flour. Turn off the switch.